Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. This video is going to be a quick little video on how to wash your brushes. Danny and I both have different methods, so this will be my method, and I'll also be doing the voiceover for Danny's method. So first I take some shampoo. You can also use baby shampoo or even soap. I like to put it onto these little makeup pad things, whatever you call them, just because it has nice little grooves on it and makes it easier to rub all the makeup off. Keep doing this with all your brushes, and then also make sure not to get the glued part of the bristles wet, because you will destroy your brushes. And never ever leave your brushes in water to soak, as you will destroy them completely. So what I like to do is I like to roll up the towel at the ends just a little bit, so that it's kind of like an elevated area. Put the brushes down, making sure that the bristles is facing me, so that the water can go off of the brushes and not go back into where the glue is. And then I also leave this to dry overnight or until it is completely dry. And then I do exactly the same thing with dishwashing liquid, with greasy brushes, like brushes that you use for foundation or grease paint. It's just a lot easier to get it out. It's also nice to just leave it on a little bit so it can soak in, and then you can just rub until all of it is clean. I then take some alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol, or you can use like 90% alcohol and just spray it onto the brushes, both sides, just to make sure it's nicely saturated but not soaking wet, because this just affects the brushes. Okay, and now it's time for method 2, which would be Danny's method. Okay, so what Danny does is she takes baby soap and she rubs her brushes onto the baby soap itself, washing. Once she feels like the brush is saturated enough, she also goes onto the silicone pad and rubs it against the makeup pad, just to get into all those little grooves. Also making sure that she rinses it off. Then you can see she does this with all her brushes, and then also with the toothbrush that she used to spatter. She then lines it the same way that I line my brushes, just letting it face you so that all the water can drip off of it and not go back into the place. She also then takes some 70% alcohol and sprays it everywhere to make sure that it is nicely disinfected. Cool guys, and that's the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.